Okay, and so what we're going to have happen now that we've kind of drawn our conclusion in section N, O, and P here, Sosa kind of talks about a new problem, the problem of like rationalism. I'm going to put that aside. It's a new sort of wrinkle that Sosa considers and then says isn't actually going to be a problem. And along the way, he talks about the connection between being reasonable and truth. But I feel like it sort of doesn't fit with the broader theme of this paper, so I'm going to ignore it for the moment. He concludes by asking whether anything at all can justify our trust, the trust we put in rationality. And reminds us of the question, which is epistemically prior, the coherence of reliability or the reliability of coherence? And we've sort of answered this once, but it's worth revisiting, I think, is what's happening at the end here. So he doesn't have a new conclusion at the end here. He's just sort of restating what he's already concluded. And it's important to just note what that was. The coherence of reliability is just basic for the project of validation. If we think we can go figure things out in the world, then we have to assume that reliable beliefs are going to cohere with the bigger picture that we have. We just kind of have to take that on board. Okay. The reliability of coherence, however, is basic for actual aptness. Okay. So the idea that like once we have a coherent set of beliefs, we're going to end up with something that's reliable. That's basic for aptness, as in like that's like a basic way we decide what's justified. Okay. And so this is the relationship that he was investigating in the end, question about the coherence of reliability and the reliability of coherence. And these two partial paragraphs sort of tell you the answers that Sosa gave. Okay. This isn't the very best explanation I could ever have given of things, but hopefully it's helpful. And I'm going to be done now.